Hi, this is Em with Environmental Works. I'm at 4955 Southwest Joshua Court in Tualatin to perform a video sewer line inspection to determine the serviceability of the sewer line going from the house to the city main. I've access line through a 3-inch ABS cleanout located in the furnace and water heater room off the garage. I'm currently on the horizontal lateral with water flowing. At this point, I'll set my foot marker reads here and begin the inspection. Okay, here at approximately 54 feet, this is where the clean out outside is. So I'm going to shut the water off, let it drain, and then re-inspect this section. That concludes the sewer line inspection at 4955 Southwest Joshua Court. The serviceability between the cleanout in the garage utility furnace room and the cleanout and the exterior cleanout appears to be functioning properly. No recommendations are needed at this time.